Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you the process of explaining application on LGTV. In order to install application, we'll need a CLI installer, which is a SDK using which we can install the application on LGTV. So what you have to do is just search for WebOS CLI in Google and then open the first link. So once this is open, just navigate to this section, WebOS TV CLI. Though it is showing deprecated, it is still working, and using it we can easily install application. So from here you have to download the file. So if you're using a MacBook, you have to download this one. If it is a Windows, you have to download this one. Since I'm using a Windows laptop, I'll download this one. Here, just read and agree the terms and condition and then click on download. Now this file will start downloading. I have already downloaded. I'll show you the process. So once this is downloaded and it will be a zip file. Once you unzip it, you will find something like this, WebOS TV CLI. So just open this and then navigate to the bin folder. Now we need to open our uh, command prompt from this bin folder or navigate to this folder, because all the commands using which we'll install the application is inside this folder. So we'll copy the path and then open our command prompt and then navigate to that path. Now we are inside this directory. If you are using a Mac computer, the process is same. Just download the Mac version and then open your terminal from that folder, or you can navigate to the directory, that bin directory. So once this is done, we have set of commands using which we can install the application on LGTV. So first is setting up the device. This is the command. As you can see, once this command is given, I'm getting a list of options: add, modify, remove. So since I am doing it for the first time, I have to add a device. If I select the add option, it is asking for the device name. So I'll give a device name, test one. Now it is asking for the device IP address. So from where you will get this information is, you need to turn on your LGTV and then navigate to the developers mode. So I have a video which I have done previously. I'll just show you the process. So if you're doing it for the first time in your LGTV, this will not be there. The developers mode software will not be there. So what you have to do is navigate to the LG store and then search with developer option. This application you have to install, so that we'll get all the details. So I have just navigated to the applications and then we'll search for the developer. So you can search with the keyword developer. In my device, this application is already installed, so it is directly opening. If you're doing it for the first time, it will ask you to install it. Just install the application. Once you are installed first time, it will ask you to sign in. So for that, what you need to do is you need to create a developer's account. So that is very easy. You can just search in Google LG developers account, LG LG whoever's developers account, and then from there you can create an account using any Gmail ID. and then you will set the username and password. So once you are done with that, in this app, you can use the same ID and password to sign in. Once you sign in, this IP address will be shown here, and then developer mode status will be off for the first time when you launch. Once you on it, your TV will restart, and then from here you can see the IP address, and this key server option will be turned off. Just enable it. Enable the key server, enable the developer mode. That's it. From here we'll get the details. So now we'll navigate back to the same file here. Sorry, this is not the one. In our command prompt, so here it is asking for the IP address. So you can see the IP address in your TV. So just enter that IP address, 192.168.10. So now it will ask you to enter the device port. Here you give 9922. Enter SSH user. This here you have to give prisoner. So these are the default set from the LG developers team. So here you can give prisoner. Enter description, you can give anything. So I'll keep it same, test one. Select authentication, select the password and enter password. All in lowercase letter. Set default target, you can set it yes, and then just save it. So once this is done, you can see the details here. So test one is my default and it is set. So using this command, reset of device list, I can see all the list of the device that is currently set up. So it's the same thing here. After adding it, it is showing. Using this command also, we can see it. So test one, my LG, and then emulator. This is the default one. Once this is set up, we can easily install any application. So the first command before installing the device that we have to give is this one. There is now come device here. This command. So here after device, you have this name is the name what you have set while add device name while adding the device. So here since it is test one, I'll give test one and then get key. So currently my LGTV is not connected to my laptop. I forgot to mention one thing. Both of your devices should be in the same network. From the laptop you are doing and the TV should be in the same network before installing it. So once you give this command, arrays now account device test one get key, something like this will be opened. Since it is currently not connected to my TV, I'm not able to show it, but I have taken a screenshot. So using this command, it will in my LG get key, it will ask you to input the passphrase. So passphrase is the you will get it from the TV. This is the passphrase. So make sure you are entering it correctly. Even the capital letter, if it is in capital letter, make sure to enter it in capital letter. Otherwise, it will give you an error. So once you will enter this one, the passphrase, then you can use this command to see the details of your device. So the command is that is device info, device and the name of your device. So once you can see this, that means your device is successfully added, and finally you can just keep the command to install the application. So the command is it is install device. So here this will be your name of the device if it is, since I have set test one, and then the path of your build. So here whatever application you are trying to install, just give the path and then click enter. That application will be installed on your TV. So the process is same for Mac as well as Windows. In MacBook, you just have to open terminal from the same folder and follow the same procedure. If you face any issues while installing it, just feel free to comment. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.